Hi everyone. So today I want to talk about a famous paradox called the Bootstrap Paradox. Essentially, it's a time travel paradox that we can apply to AI systems. But here it goes. Imagine a book that's been written recently, and we were to take that book and then send it back in time. The book that exists in the past now would have been written already, yet would have no writer, as it were, because it wouldn't have been written by someone in the past. It would have been written by someone in the present. So that's an example of the bootstrap paradox. Now, it's very similar to an AI system that teaches itself to learn. So it self-improves. Uh, later version, an earlier version, basically, of an AI system can teach itself to improve over time and replicate and edit its own weights and understandings in order to improve, yet seems to receive no external information. Um, there's almost like it's not receiving any external information from outside, but it's still able to self-improve in the same way that that book is created. Um, now, the interesting thing is, well, you'd think that with an AI system that is supposedly meant to get smarter than humans, if it can't rely on external sources any longer because it hits the limits of human reasoning. And that's what it's going to be looking for. It's going to be looking for human resources. Then how is it going to improve past that point? Well, interestingly enough, what it could do is it could start to see patterns that we couldn't see. Um, and then even create new forms of reasoning. Now, it's still going to be combining stuff together, but it could still create something smarter than us. So it's just an interesting little paradox, a little idea, but you can see how it can be applied to AI.